So on my desk right now is a parcel from my lovely customer and friend Amanda. Amanda always sends me her phone to have the crystals put directly onto her phone, and when I first started my business I always used to work directly onto phones. There was no real good quality phone cases when I started around, it's probably been about 18 years now. And Amanda still to this day sends me her actual phone, and I'm just going to open it now. The beautiful white 15 Pro Max. So I've been discussing with Amanda what we are going to have on this phone. Amanda would like AB and crystal background, the diamond and pearls design, multicolor like one of her old phones that I made. I'm going to bring an image on the screen, and this time we're going to add some neons because they're like new colors that are available. And then an Apple logo smaller than before, multicolor Apple logo, striped, outlined, darker so it stands out, and amazing. So I'm going to start by sanding the phone. I'll cover the screen and stuff so that it doesn't get damaged or any dirt on it, and then I'll get started. Some screen camera protectors on my desk. I think I'm just going to cover the cameras so that they don't get dirty. It's ready. I'm going to sand it carefully. I'm going to put my gloves on because my hands will get dirty. By sanding the sides. It's actually quite difficult to scratch the new iPhones, which is quite good, but this sandpaper is really harsh. So it feels like it's impossible to actually scratch this area, so I think I'm just gonna give up. Right, I think that's done. I'm going to clean it, rubbing alcohol, and also clean my desk at the same time. If you see this in the videos, my daughter wrote this and asked me to leave it in the background of my videos. Right, I'm going to leave Amanda's phone on the radiator so it can dry, and then I'm going to paint it. So I'm also working on a Jawahers phone case. This is going to have butterflies in the background on the pop socket, and AB background in different sizes, and light rose in different sizes, and volcano letters, and I have a feeling it's going to look super cute. So here is the phone case so far, and I think it is looking so cute. What do you think? I think it's so cute. So basically, that's not even glued down, but it's floating. AB background in different sizes. I didn't end up using the bigger crystals because I thought it's gonna take the attention away from the butterfly. So I think it looks perfect. And I will show you the final look once it's complete. How stunning does she look? The butterflies and the light rose, the volcano changing colors, the AB in the different sizes, just everything about it is so super beautiful. I love it. I hope Jawahar loves it too.